Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your equity with PayPal, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To upgrade your equity with PayPal, start by logging into your PayPal account. Once logged in, navigate to the wallet section from the main dashboard. Look for the option labeled Link a bank account or link a credit card. Select the method you prefer for upgrading your equity. If you choose to link a bank account, enter your account details as prompted. This includes your account number and routing number. Make sure to double-check for any typographical errors. Then, verify your bank account by confirming the small deposits PayPal will send you. Next, if you're linking a credit card, enter your card number, expiration date, and security code. Ensure that the billing address provided matches your credit card statement. Once your payment method is linked, return to the main dashboard. Locate the Money tab and select Add Funds. Choose the amount you wish to transfer to your PayPal balance. Confirm your funding source and complete the transaction. Now, navigate to the Invest section of your PayPal account. Review the investment opportunities available for upgrading your equity. Select the investment that aligns with your financial goals. Follow the prompts to invest your funds. Once the investment is complete, monitor your equity through the Portfolio section. Regularly check for updates and additional investment opportunities. This process allows you to effectively upgrade your equity with PayPal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.